In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP automation with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Monday.com website. This is your starting point. Once the site loads, look for your account profile icon. Typically, you'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on that icon to bring up a menu. From there, select the App Marketplace option. This will take you to a new section where you can explore various integrations. Now, in the App Marketplace, you'll want to utilize the search function. Type in VLOOKUP and hit Enter. Once the results are displayed, look for the VLOOKUP app and click on it to install. This app will enable you to set up auto-linking between your project boards, streamlining your workflow tremendously. After the installation is complete, it's time to set up the automation. Open the specific board where you want this automation to take place. Once you're in that board, navigate to the Views section. Within this area, locate and select the VLOOKUP editor or an automation template. This will set you on the right path to configuring your first link. If this is your initial time using the app, you may be prompted to grant necessary authorizations. Make sure to allow these permissions so the app can function properly. Next, you'll want to select your source board. This is the board that contains all the data you wish to synchronize. It's essential to keep in mind that the organization of your data will impact the efficiency of your automation. Now, head over to choose the target board, which is where the synchronized information will be displayed or updated automatically. Selecting both boards carefully ensures that your data flows accurately from one place to another. Once you've selected your boards, it's time to map the source column values to the corresponding target columns. This is a crucial step for maintaining data accuracy. Make sure that each source column aligns correctly with the target column. This mapping process ensures that you're pulling the right information and reducing the potential for errors. After mapping the columns, you'll need to specify the desired triggers for this automation. Triggers are actions that will initiate the synchronization process. For example, you might set it so that any update in the source board automatically reflects in the target board. Once you've defined your triggers to your satisfaction, don't forget to click Save. This final step activates your board synchronization automation. And just like that, you've set up VLOOKUP automation on Monday.com. Congratulations! If you follow these steps, you should see your boards sync seamlessly. This automation can save you a significant amount of time on your projects and keep your data organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.